So we come to question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 0 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance walk towards the building. A 1.5 meter tall boy, okay, the boy is being 1.5 meter tall. It is standing some distance from the building. The 1.5 meter tall boy standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The boy is being 1.5 meter tall. The building is become 30 meter tall building. Building is 30 meter tall. The boy is standing at some distance from the building. As he walks towards the building, the angle of elevation changes from 30 degree to 60 degree. That's what the question talks about. So the boy is walking towards the building. When he comes to some other places, so he walks the distance. This is a horizontal line. The angle of elevation from here, when he walks first time, the angle of elevation may be 30 degree. When he walks towards the building, the angle of elevation changes into 60 degree. The boy, when he's standing here, when you look at the building, top of the building, the angle must be 60 degree. As he walks towards the building, he was coming closer to the building, so the angle changes. Now he's looking at the angle becomes 60 degree. Now the question is that how much distance he walked? The distance he walked. Okay, just give the name A, B, C, D. Just give X, Y, Z. So is a 1.5 meter. This also must be 1.5. So we get the CD length we can able to find out. Listen now. Let AB be the distance walked by the boy. If the distance walked by the boy, so AB, okay, the height of the boy AX equal to height of the boy, you can say height of the boy AX equal to 1.5 meter. Height of the building so D is equal to 30 meter. Therefore, what is DC or CD? DC equal to DZ minus CZ. That means 30 meter minus 1.5 meter. If you minus the 28.5 meter, you will get 28.5 meter. So that DC equal 28.5 meter. Okay, it is become 28.5 meter. Now you have to find the AB or XY. The both same only. The distance walked by the boy equal to AB or XY. Okay, you can find one by one. In right triangle BCD, is a right angle here, perpendicular. Okay, in right triangle BCD, okay, we can take the right triangle BCD. It is perpendicular, it is a base. So CD is a perpendicular, BC is the base. So perpendicular base equal 10. So tan 60 is equal to CD by and BC. So tan 60 value, okay, tan 60 is equal to root 3. So tan that is okay, is given the value in the table. Tan 60 is become root 3 equal to CD is become 28.5 meter and BC we don't know. So let's find that. We can multiply crossly. So root 3 into BC is equal to 28.5 meter. So BC is equal to and 28.5 meter divided by root 3. So denominator is root 3, rationalize it. So you can multiply by root 3. So 28.5 root 3 divided by root 3 and root 3 is become 3 meter. So 3 ones are 3. So 3 nines are 27 and 3 fives are 15. So 9.5 root 3 meter. This is the BC value got it, but we want AB value. We can take now in triangle ACD, right angle triangle be taken. In right triangle ACD is a right triangle. Okay, we can apply that sine perpendicular CD, base became AC, so tan 30 is equal to CD by AC. For tan 30 value we know 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and CD is become 28.5 meter, and AC is we can write as a AB plus BC. We can write AB plus BC because AB plus BC. So let's multiply now, crossly multiply. AB plus BC into 1, AB plus BC equal to 28 root 3 into 28.5 is coming here 28.5 root 3 meter. These two multiplied. Now AB value we don't know, but BC value we know. BC is equal to, we got it, 9.5 root 3 equal to 28.5 root 3 meter. So AB value you can get it 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. If you minus here, 28.5 minus 19.5 is become 19 root 3 meter. So the distance walked by the boy is equal to 19 root 3 meter.